Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to complete exercises of EVS chapter 7, Amazing Animal Senses. So, you have completed A part of exercise time in the previous class, and now we are going to start from the B part of exercise time. So, open page number 38. Here you can see the B part. Tick the correct answer. So in first you have to tick on vulture. vulture has a strong sense of smell to locate dead animals. In the second you have to tick on ants. ants smell with their long antennae. Third you have to tick on spider. spiders can detect sound with the hair on their legs. In fourth, you have to tick on earthworm. earthworm. The entire body of an earthworm is covered with taste buds. In fifth, you have to tick on bats. bats. Bats hang themselves upside down while sleeping. Now the E part you can see. First, the hair on the butterfly wings help them to find food. So this statement is false. Second, honeybees form dance-like patterns to communicate. This statement is true. Third, sharks smell with their nostrils. This option is true. Fourth, dogs communicate through symbols, and this statement is false. So, you have to do these work in your EBS book, not in your EBS copy. And here you have to write hard words, reason for the following, and question answer in your copy, in your EBS copy. So first you have to mention today's date, class work, number of the chapter, date of the chapter, name of the chapter in your EBS copy, and you have to put hard words with the meanings as heading. After it you have to write first hard word, which is receptors. Receptor means an organ or cell able to respond to light, heat or other external things. Second, sphex means shout. Third, obstacles means hindrance. Fourth, compound means fused. And fifth, probe means check. Give reason for the following. First, fish and snakes sleep with their eyes open. So its reason. Fish and snakes sleep with their eyes open because they don't have eyelids. Now the second, a butterfly walks on the leaves before laying eggs. So its reason, a butterfly walks on the leaves before laying eggs to make sure that the leaves can be eaten by the young caterpillars. Next, dogs are used in rescue operations. So its reason, dogs are used in rescue operation because they have high sense of smell. Fourth, snakes keep flickering their forked tongue. So its reason, snakes keep flickering their forked tongue to send scent scent particles to a pair of sense organs located at the roof of their mouth. Now you can see answer the following questions. Here question 1 is, how do whales and dolphins move through water? So its answer, sense organs enable the fish to feel the changes in the weight of water. This helps the whales and dolphins move through water. Now the question 2. Which sense organ in birds of prey helps them to locate their food? So its answer, sense of sight in birds of prey helps them to locate their food. Now the question 3. What are ultrasounds? Which animal produces ultrasounds to locate its food? So its answer, high-pitched squawks called ultrasound. Bats produces ultrasound to locate its food. Now the question 4. What helps a cat to find its way in the dark? And its answer, the whiskers of a rat help it to find its way in the dark. So students, that's all for the today. In the next class, from the next class, you have to revise your chapters from 2 to 7 for half yearly examinations. So thank you class.